Well, thanks, guys. As many Americans across the country continue to socially distance themselves, let's face it, they're starting to get a little bit anxious. Well, we've noted that auto sales are starting to spark northward, and RV sales are absolutely through the roof, and now we're taking a closer look at motorcycles. I'm here in Greenville, South Carolina at the BMW US Rider Academy, where sales of motorcycles like this, the BMW GSR 1250, are looking at sales north of 20% increase year over year. Let's find out why people are getting back into riding motorcycles.
For many, riding a motorcycle is purely meant for fun, a getaway, that feeling of open air and freedom. During the coronavirus pandemic, that has never been more true, and the motorcycle industry is seeing a resurgence in not just sales, but new riders and old riders looking to get better at riding, and off-road as well. According to the Motorcycle Industry Council, sales of off-road motorcycles as a whole are up nearly 50%, and dual sport motorcycles, meaning those that go on and off-road, are up nearly 20%.
So the question is why? Why are consumers looking to ride more with motorcycles? Well, it's because of vehicles like this. This is the BMW GSR 1250, and what's great is it allows you to take long trips on the street, but also allows you with knobby tires like this to get off-road.
The increase in off-road sales is a result of bikes that not just do well off-road, but they can get you to that trailhead as well. At the BMW US Rider Academy, they train new and veteran riders on a BMW GS, which stands for Geländesport, or on and off-road. It's a big bike with great suspension clearance and has plenty of power for highway speed, but geared to allow you to traverse any mountain. This training is all about becoming a better rider, and the program accomplishes this very well. They teach you how to stand on your bike and to better yet, throttle control the motorcycle as well. By the time you get to the end of training, I was rolling over rocks, fording my way through water, and riding over large logs. Although the average number of falls during the program is roughly 10, I took pride only dumping the bike twice. It is a testament to the durability of the BMW GS.
Which leads me to safety and the fact that with motorcycling, one of the best parts about it is not just having the bike, but also the cool gear that you have to get.
There are critical elements to motorcycle gear, but nothing is as important as your helmet. I wear a variety of helmets, and choosing which helmet I'm going to wear that day is based on the type of riding I'm going to be doing. The biggest key is how it fits on my head. You definitely want to make sure that the helmet is as comfortable as possible.
This is the Scorpionxo modular helmet, and it has the DOT sticker on the back, which means that it's certified by the Department of Transportation and is safe for me to ride on the road and on the dirt, but my favorite feature is actually right here. It has a modular front flipping face, and I like that because on long rides and I get to a stop sign, I can flip up this face, take a sip of water to keep me hydrated while on the road.
What you wear is also important. Having a true 2 or 3 season riding jacket and pants are mission critical. You can always remove the liners, so the key is to layer them. And lastly are your boots. If you're riding for long periods of time, invest in comfortable boots. For off-roading, cover those ankles. When you're getting ready to put your foot down, it will ensure that you have stable footing.
Well, guys, even in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic, you can still find ways to have some fun, and as you can see, I'm covered in sweat. The course here at the BMW US Rider Academy is both tiring and mentally challenging. But after a full day out on the track, let me tell you, I learned a lot, and I guarantee I'm a much better motorcyclist.
I'm Mike Caudill.